Fish farahi, the most delicious, flavorful, and spicy fish. Karahi guaranteed that not the this will be the best curried fish recipe you will ever need. Ingredient: 500 gram fish fillet of your choice, cut into pieces. Marinate the fish for at least 2 hours in a paste made from half teaspoon each of salt and red chili powder, quarter teaspoon garlic paste, and juice of lemon, 4 tomatoes, 2 onions, 3 green chilies cropped, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon roasted whole cumin seed crushed, 2 red teaspoon chili powder, 2 red teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, same cropped coriander leaves, half teaspoon garam masala oil as needed, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of some cropped coriander leaves, just a half lemon and oil as needed, 1 teaspoon roasted whole coriander seeds and the other things. Now we are going to show the next where I can show you how to mix and cook the fish. Its things is needed to make a fish karahi very yummy, and its recipe is very rare. Instructions: and heat some oil and fry the fish pieces for 2 to 3 minutes of each, and the crushed get and tomatoes are cooked and thick and the oil get released from the slides. Add the whipped yogurt and red chili powder, cook for a couple, and the pan, strike coriander leaves, simmer for a few seconds, then turn off the heat and serve hot. And where do you serve? The man is very happy to taste the karahi fish and take duain to you. You also like the fish. Its flavor is so yummy, so spicy, and its flavor has a next level taste. You can like it.